Hello class, so in this video we're going to be talking about a thing called LaTeX. It's spelled like the word latex, but pronounced LaTeX. Essentially what it is just a thing that helps you type math well. So let's look at some different ways that we're able to type math in the first place. One is Word. Click on Document Elements, and then Equation, and let's use this thing. So just type in the things that you would need. You probably have no idea what this is because this is most likely pre-calculus people watching this. But this is a thing. It's a calculus thing, don't worry about it. It's just an example. Google Docs is also a very popular thing. Let's insert an equation, get that same thing, and we have this. Okay, so looks a bit different, not as like official looking. So let's try something else. If we use this thing called Auto LaTeX, you need to download it, but it's an add-on. We can type some things. So here I'm going to type \display style \int and an a caret b f of x dx. So that's actually code that's going to turn it into this thing. If you look in a textbook, this is actually what you're going to see. It'll look exactly like this, because mathematicians normally use LaTeX to do things. Here's an image, but yeah, so we'll talk about how to make it not an image later on. Here's this thing called Overleaf. This is basically the Google Docs of LaTeX. So if you typed code into here, you would be able to turn that into equations and stuff, and it's not going to be just an image, but it'll be an actual document. And I think they made some changes, so something weird went on, but that's fine. So when you compile, that basically means turn the code into a document, and you see that there. You don't need to worry about the code just yet. We'll talk about those later. So how to get a compiler on your computer? That was online. Here's how to get one that's not online, in case. Look up MikTeX and click Downloads. And then you will see a bunch of packages. Just get whatever your operating system has, and that'll be fine. And then you need the actual compiler itself. So that wasn't the compiler, that was just packages that has LaTeX in it. So again, go to, this one's called TechMaker. This one's called TechStudio. There are two of the more popular compilers. So just click on the download that you need, download it. I use TechStudio, it's just a personal preference. But yeah, so if you want to work on these outside of just using the Overleaf online stuff, you can always get one of these. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about how this actually works and how to make a thing with it.